Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off with someone who has long waist-length hair. Stylist cuts those two ponytails off and she shows off this gorgeous bob haircut. Next up, we have someone who has beautiful curly and natural hair. Oh, looks like she's doing a DIY haircut here. She braids the hair, grabs the scissors, and begins to cut. Okay, so she did a nice little bob haircut here for this one. It actually came out really good. Nice, simple, and chic. Next up, it looks like we have another long to short. Wow, that is a thick braid. So the stylist just cuts that right off. And once again, we have another bob haircut. Oh, wow. So we don't have a transformation here, but this is an absolutely gorgeous pixie hairstyle. She's got the face framing bangs here. I love how this just frames her face. Absolutely gorgeous pixie style. So we have another hair transformation here. So her hair ends around shoulder length. Like she wants to also go shorter with the pixie cuts. Oh, she gets some color here. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. So I actually just did a video on the 60s inspired mod pixie. This is what this particular style is. It is trending all over TikTok right now. So check out that video if you want to see more. Here we have another pixie look. Gorgeous. And then we hop into yet another pixie style. So for this one, she is dyeing the hair hot pink. She's got an undercut look here. Nice, spicy and edgy pixie style. I love it. Sometimes you just want to go bold. And then here we have another pixie. Now she has more of a traditional angled pixie style. The asymmetrical shape. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at the amount of height here. So pretty. And then our last transformation is going to feature this blonde bob. Stylist does a color refresh here. And she ends up getting this really pretty beige blonde color. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.